In case you wondered, we are in an RV, 32-foot motor coach. We are driving through at least 6 states, over 30 cities, with a very simple message. It is a sin to vote for Hillary. If somebody says, I'm going to sin, and you say, okay, I'll help you, then you've sinned. We know that abortion is a sin. We know it's a serious sin. And Hillary has said she wants to fund abortion. She wants to fund Planned Parenthood, who's the largest killer of babies in the Western Hemisphere. She said she wants to put judges on the Supreme Court that will ensure that Roe versus Wade, the child-killing ruling, that Roe versus Wade stays put. So if you help her with those goals, those stated goals of abortion, the sin of abortion, then you, if I help her, then me, then we're sinning. We can't help her, friends. We can't vote for her. What I'm going to do with the rest of this program is I'm going to play for you the majority of the rest of Donald Trump's Gettysburg Address. It played on Saturday when a lot of people couldn't see it, and it was so powerful. It was so good. The 28 points are so compelling. And then at the very end of the broadcast, I'm going to pray or ask you to pray for us and ask you for your financial help. I'll tell you right now, if you can help us, go to the website you see on the screen, donate a tank of gas, donate a meal. There's 4 of us on this RV, and you can imagine the expense of taking a TV show like this on the road. Hope you enjoy the rest of Donald Trump's speech. Don't go away.
On the same day, I will begin taking strongly 7 actions to protect American workers. First, I will announce my intention to totally renegotiate NAFTA, one of the worst deals our country has ever made, signed by Bill Clinton, or withdraw from the deal under Article 2205. Second, I will announce our withdrawal from the Trans-Pacific Partnership, a potential disaster for our country. Third, I will direct my Secretary of the Treasury to label China a currency manipulator. China is a currency manipulator. Fourth, I will direct the Secretary of Commerce and U.S. Trade Representative to identify all foreign trading abuses that unfairly impact American workers and direct them to use every tool under American and international law to end those abuses immediately. Fifth, very importantly, I will lift the restrictions on the production of $50 trillion worth of job-producing American energy reserves, including shale, oil, natural gas, and clean coal, and we will put our miners back to work. Sixth, I will lift the Obama-Clinton roadblocks that allow for this vital energy infrastructure projects to go forward. We're going to allow the Keystone Pipeline and so many other things to move forward. Tremendous numbers of jobs and good for our country. We're going to cancel billions in payments to the United Nations climate change programs and use the money to fix America's water and environmental infrastructure. We're paying billions and billions and billions of dollars. We're going to fix our own environment. Additionally, on the first day, I will take the following 5 actions to restore security and constitutional rule of law. We have to do that. Cancel every unconstitutional executive action, memorandum, and order issued by President Obama. Second, begin the process of selecting a replacement for Justice Scalia, whose wife, by the way, has a Trump sign. His wife is a phenomenal woman. Has a Trump sign in her front yard. Isn't that nice? From one of the 20 judges on my list, you know, we're going to make great decisions from 20 outstanding judges on a list that we submitted, who will uphold and defend the Constitution of the United States. Third, we will cancel all federal funding of sanctuary cities. Fourth, we will begin removing the more than 2 million criminal illegal immigrants from the country. These are drug dealers, gang heads, gang members, killers, and cancel visas to foreign countries that won't take them back. And when Hillary Clinton was Secretary of State, and they had someone who was bad, really bad, and they brought him back to the country and the country wouldn't take him, she said, well, bring him back. We don't want to force the country to take him. There won't be one such instance if I become president, believe me.